Summer is just around the corner, and with it comes the excitement of diving, swimming, and discovering the wonders of the underwater world. However, if you've never had the opportunity to dive with a portable mini diving tank, you're missing out on an exhilarating experience. Introducing the SMACO S400 1L diving tank, a revolutionary product that allows you to delve into the depths for up to 15 minutes without needing to resurface. With its sleek design and lightweight construction, this mini scuba tank is incredibly user-friendly, making it the ideal companion for all your aquatic adventures. Discover the mini scuba tank, a new way to breathe underwater. This remarkable 1-liter mini diving bottle grants you the ability to breathe underwater for 8 to 15 minutes. Despite its compact size, equivalent to a water bottle, it enables diving up to a depth of 10 meters, although it is recommended for use within 3 to 5 meters. The versatility of this mini scuba tank is remarkable. Perfect for short-duration underwater excursions, allowing you to explore the underwater world with ease. A must-have for boat owners who need to unanchor or inspect the hull beneath the water's surface. Offers endless enjoyment for snorkeling enthusiasts and adventurous explorers of the underwater realm. Even experienced divers can benefit from this mini diving bottle as a reliable backup in case of misjudgment or, in the worst-case scenario, air failure. It is crucial to prioritize safety when diving. Obtaining scuba certification and adhering to safety guidelines is highly recommended. Regularly checking depth and air consumption, ascending slowly, and never holding your breath are essential precautions. It's worth noting that all SMACO dive tanks are .NCE certified, meeting various user and scenario requirements while providing a breathing time range of 5 to 25 minutes. Not only are these dive tanks safe and portable, but they are also more affordable, making them accessible to the general public. Additionally, SMACO offers the 4500 SI high-pressure Heat 1 electric air compressor for quick and convenient tank refills, ensuring uninterrupted diving experiences. Embrace the freedom of underwater exploration with the SMACO S400 1L mini scuba tank. Don't miss out on this exceptional opportunity to dive into a world of adventure and create unforgettable memories beneath the waves. This summer, let the SMACO S400 be your ticket to underwater bliss. As a special offer, SMACO has exclusive coupon codes for Gadget Explained readers. Visit gadgetexplained.com.